So now this was y'all's grandmother's house, right?
Great-grandma.
Great-grandma.
Should we go inside?
Let's do it.
All right, let's go in then,
Okay.
shall we?
Let's do it.
All right, this is the kitchen, huh?
The original kitchen.
Oh.
And this is the original cabinets, the original hardware and everything.
All original. Okay, so this is the little kitchen, but this will be the new front door right here.
Right.
Yes.
So the kitchen's gone, so
Yes.
this is entry.
Doesn't it blow your mind? Like,
It's
and
pretty
your
wild.
grandmother could probably feed 20 or 30 people from this little tiny kitchen.
100%.
Yeah.
100%.
So we are moving into my great-grandma Nobles' house. It was built in 1946. My mom, she kept this property, and when I finally did say, I'm kind of ready to come back, she's like, I have the place for you, so.
To clear the house, everyone get ready for him. She was ready.
Here we go.
I look across the street and I see where we grew up playing basketball, and being able to do this is really a dream come true. To do something for our sister Gabby and Graylin is just gonna be a really, really special thing for all of us.
So this will be the entry. So what is over here? What do we got here?
Come on over.
Okay.
It's a big problem. We already have to find a spot for a
Yes.
kitchen.
Yeah, so, okay.
So this was the original dining room.
Okay.
Formal dining.
So do you need a formal dining room?
We don't need a formal dining room.
If we can open all this up, this could become a nice big entry area.
Absolutely. We're so open with what this looks like, to be honest.
Okay. Basically, the plan here is to get this wall out of here, get rid of the old kitchen, and create an entry space. Then we'll add a new front door. And then any windows, replace the flooring, we'll paint, we'll replace the lighting, really just reorient the space to make it really functional for you guys.
Okay.
So
What's this here?
This is a living room.
So this is a living room. What if, oh wow, this is big. And you've already done some of my work for me.
I'm very into darker colors for like small spaces.
Yeah. So lighter everywhere else is the main color.
Right.
Yep, perfect. Okay. So this is the current porch, which is the front door now, which will not be the front door anymore.
Yeah.
Right.
But it is nice to have a little porch out here. This is a big space. Oh, I love those church pews.
that is from
Yes.
where
Okay.
we grew up going
Yeah.
to church. My mom doesn't get rid of much.
And we can use them somewhere. They are very special. That's
Absolutely.
amazing. Okay, so the plan would be we'd create 2 bedrooms here with a bathroom in between. So I'll have a full bath there that's accessible from the rest of the house. The old living room will now become the main suite. So we will create a bedroom, potentially vaulting the ceilings if we can. We'll refinish the floor, get you new lighting, we'll paint, give you as much space in the bedroom as possible. All right, so then for the main suite bathroom, we will get this wall out of here. We'll take some space from bedroom and porch behind here to get you as big of a bathroom and closet.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Sounds so cool.
The only problem is we have not checked off the 2 most important spaces, which are the kitchen and the living room.
Yes.
Okay, so when we were outside, though, there was the carport and it looked like a garage. Let's go look at them.
All right, let's go there.
Okay. Okay, you don't need this garage.
No.
So this could be a really nice kitchen. And if we took, the width of this same room out onto the carport, I mean, this would be an amazing living and kitchen. Living room, kitchen, dining in the middle. And what if we put some doors here and put a big back porch
Oh my goodness, this would be gorgeous.
It'd be so nice. Cover this and you sit out here, this beautiful view. I mean, every single wall in this house, for the most part, is moving, changing. It is going to be a completely different house. And they have a wedding coming up in a few months.
Hey, wait, let's look in there and see what we got.
It's hollow.
Nothing. 16 inches of space. All right, let's keep going. Once we open up all these walls, it'll be this amazing entryway. Oh, look at this, you guys. Come look at this.
Everything's going great inside the house. I'm so excited.
We have opened up all these walls. We got a lot done.
Demo is done inside the house. Now, Rick and his crew have started framing the main bedroom, the main bathroom, the new main closet. It's starting to really come together. In the entryway, we decided on some arched openings. We're gonna create some built-ins for these arched openings. Shay told me his grandparents have an old walnut tree on their property.
Ooh.
I know, that we can use to make into something. So I was thinking here we'll have a walnut top for the lowers, and then the shelves are made out of that same walnut.
Oh, I love that.
From the parents' property.
At the Mooney house, we are demoing the entire garage.
we are reframing the room where the kitchen and living space will be to better achieve what Gabby and Gray want in their new kitchen and living area.
In the original plan, on the other side of the property, we were going to keep a part of the porch, but as we got into framing, we realized that we should just take the whole porch and add it to the square footage because it will make this interior room so much bigger. So we called Gabby and Gray, and they were on board with the idea.
We're at the Mooney house today. We got stuff going on. Electricians are here, plumbers are here. It's just moving along. The windows aren't here yet, but we got the doors. We're actually replacing where that one window was in the main bedroom to basically a triple door. It's got a slider on each side. It's gonna be really cool. In order to do that, though, we've got to actually cut out where the old window was. Pure horsepower ripping these things out of there. Should we go get the door?
Let's go get the door.
There we go. Man, it looks really good from in here.
At Gabby and Gray's house, there is so much going on. The windows and doors are in, and we have that custom arched window. We put in a rush order, and Rick's guy came through for us. That's the focal point for the kitchen. It looks amazing.
All the drywall is up in all the reconfigured spaces.
While a light-colored stone is being used to brighten up the fireplace and for the backsplash in the kitchen.
We've got brand new flooring going in throughout the house.
Side porch is going up. The roof looks amazing. It looks just so good. And now it's time to keep moving forward on this house. We've got a lot to do and make some more progress there.
We are setting Gabby and Gray up for a wonderful marriage and a ton of success in this home.
We now have stone all over the front of the house, and we need a siding color. This one's nice. It's a really pretty.
I think that looks
all
expensive.
The siding, trim, soffit fascia in this granite graphite color. That was easy. That's awesome.
I love that.
Gosh, the exterior, everything's turning out so beautifully.
We definitely want to make sure we have some nice landscaping where people are going to be walking and you're going to have a wedding. In the kitchen, a white quartz countertop is going in, and it's going to look great on that new island. The guys are working on a custom built-in cabinetry for Gabby's closet. And we're installing some inviting new lighting. Gabby's had a rough year, to say the least.
She has.
She had a really terrifying health crisis, and she had brain surgery.
But now they're in this season of celebration. They've got a wedding. A lot of great things are happening for Gabby and Gray.
Don't you love this entryway, babe? It's amazing.
Incredible.
So pretty. I love it. My favorite light.
Just the front of the house. I love it, how everything's
The
even.
landscaping, oh my gosh.
Do you like the stone?
I am obsessed with the stone, guys.
First, our plan was just to have little touches of stone.
Right.
So we actually wrapped the whole front of the house in stone, so it feels like this gorgeous cottage. Take it in, it's so beautiful.
I mean, it's so much to take it. It's unbelievable.
We changed the entrance over to this side of the house, which feels better. And then all the black windows. You have the siding on the side. We decided to go dark to help make it feel modern. I feel like it's super timeless, too.
Yes.
Like, this house is gonna last.
It's stunning.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Wow.
I am so overwhelmed. It's gorgeous. This isn't the same house.
This used to be the kitchen.
Yeah.
But I love that it's the entryway because this is where your grandma's house, where you had all the memories, where the heart of the home was, right? So this is still where you're gonna be welcoming people, even though it's totally different, it still has that same heart behind it.
The light, babe, the light.
That's what I've been looking at.
The arch, like, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, this is stunning.
These ceilings are incredible.
Aren't they
Whoa.
cool?
It's
all
original. We found this and restored it.
Oh gosh, this is unbelievable.
This used to be the living room.
Yes, stop it right now. Oh, the
Whoa.
wallpaper, are you kidding? Gosh.
Look at these little nooks.
Is this amazing
Oh, I
or
can get
what?
used to this.
This was your covered porch.
Yes.
Stop.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is, and now we have a regular
You have your private, little
porch.
private deck.
Yes.
This is nothing like it was.
Okay, you want to go see your bathroom?
God, I'm so excited.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh. The bathroom, babe. You're gonna fit in the shower.
Oh, I didn't even see this. Oh. This is huge. Wow. I've never found a shower that I can actually stand in.
This is insane.
So you guys, I know only wanted one sink. We have this giant vanity.
Oh, I love
You have
it.
so much counter space now and
Oh my
so much
gosh,
storage.
Unreal. Oh, I have a tub, guys.
That's your bath, babe.
This is my dream bathroom.
Oh, that's awesome.
So then we have another little closet for you.
Stop it right now.
Oh, wow.
This is my freaking dream. Oh my gosh.
So we took an old bedroom and a bunch of the
that's
covered
right. It was
porch
part of the
and
porch.
created all of
the
this.
Porch. So much storage for hats and for your shoes.
Your vanity.
My vanity. The mirror. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That's really cool.
No way.
I might have to get dressed in here. Sorry, babe.
No. Oh my gosh, babe. Oh, this is ours.
Look at this wood stove.
Oh,
These beams.
wow. Oh my gosh. Are you serious right now? The countertop. Like, is that a refrigerator?
Yes. Yes, that's a refrigerator.
Oh my gosh, babe.
Huge.
Fridge.
And let's talk about this window.
Oh my God, I can't get over this.
It looks out onto this beautiful pasture, and this is gorgeous.
I've never been so excited
Oh my
to
gosh.
do dishes with
I
a view
know.
like this.
I will let you do them so easily.
So you have a screened-in porch, both of these
Oh
doors.
my gosh.
Accordion open.
God, it just doesn't stop.
Oh my gosh, and it has a fan out here. Ah, this is crazy.
I know entertaining and family is so important, so kitchen, dining, really just tried to break up these spaces so they have their own individual spaces.
Look at your living room.
Look at the
Oh my gosh,
couch.
this is so gorgeous. It is stunning.
I felt like this stone fireplace had to happen in order to have symmetry with your kitchen. Now you have a focal point in your living room, you have a focal point in your dining, and then of course the kitchen.
This is unbelievable, you guys.
Can you believe that this was a garage? Carport and garage.
This is insane. You guys crushed it. I am so thankful for every single thing. So much love. It just feels like it's covered in love.